this is my cat. His name is Nemo, and he is really playful, and I love him a lot. And he is 4 years old, and he always likes me the most. He always comes, sits down where I am always, and you love me? You love me? Okay, now the reply, he just ate his food and he's like. He also likes playing with me a lot. He always sits with me. Yes? Wanna go down? And I like him a lot, and he also likes me a lot. And together we play and many things in the garden, and he catches rats, and he sits down when I study on my books, and he always comes. And thank you all guys for seeing this video, and I love my pet a lot. Thank you. Bye bye guys.
summer surrounding is. This is my cat. His name is Kutia. He's 4 years old. He's a very nice, cheerful cat. He is very playful. He plays with me every morning, and he also plays with me. He also likes to get some scratches. He also likes to hug me. So as I was telling you, this is my cat, right? So he likes the AC to sleep. He catches rats. He catches even fatter rats, even squirrels, even mongoose he used to catch. He likes to be in the AC. I love him so much. He's my nice and lovely cat. He plays with me. Thank you. Bye.